Hey everyone, and welcome to Visceraverse Anatomy playlist. This is going to be volume 1 of 5, starting right here with head and neck anatomy. In the future, we'll tackle the upper and lower extremities, the trunk, and the internal organs. As a med student back in my second year, I was in your exact shoe. I desperately wished I could find a free, decent resource that would help me actually make sense of what I'm reading, of all the gibberish I was being exposed to for the first time. So today, here I am trying my best to provide all my medical fellows and future healthcare professionals with a way to not just understand anatomy, but to actually love it. This is your introduction and roadmap to the entire playlist, because there's a ton of topics that are coming your way. So the best way to tackle that and navigate that is watching this video. So let's dive in. As I said earlier, this playlist is going to be huge, so here is your master plan. We'll start off with the foundation, the bones and the muscles that hold everything up. Then we'll explore the major cavities and spaces in your bodies, like the nose and the mouth. After that, we're going to dive into another masterpiece, the soft tissues, the brain, the nerves, and the blood supply. And finally, we'll finish with special senses, the eye and the ear. So this is your roadmap to total mastery. Every great structure needs a solid foundation. So that's exactly where we're starting. In the next few videos, we'll build our knowledge from the ground up, bone by bone, joint by joint, and muscle by muscle. The first few videos are going to be about the bones of the skull or the cranium. We're going to talk about the base of your skull, your occipital bone, the temporal bone, one of the most complex bones in your skull. And then we're going to talk about the vertebra that are holding up your head, right? We're going to talk about cervical vertebra, bones of the upper thorax. We're going to then talk about ligaments. And then after that, we're going to talk about a bunch of muscles that are also important in holding up your head and movement and many other functions, as we're going to see. So get the foundation right and everything else will make sense much more than you think. That was all for our introduction video for today. I'd really highly appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel and like this video to help others benefit from this huge decent playlist. Visit Visceraverse.org for more summaries and PDFs totally for free, and I'd like to see you join our community on Instagram where I share study tips and many other things. So see you there and see you in the next video.